Okay, so this is not a drill. मैं genuinely curious थी कि are these viral makeup and skincare products actually worth the hype or are they just internet pretty? So welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Kiara and today I will be testing some of the most viral and overhyped products so you don't have to waste your coin. Because genuinely speaking, when I was purchasing these products, कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स इतने एक्सपेंसिव थे कि मेरे को लिटरली दिल से बोलने का मन था कि भैया प्लीज़ थोड़ा डिस्काउंट दे दो. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु इज़ ऑलवेज एडिंग थिंग्स टू कार्ट बट overthinks hitting checkout, let me help you decide if these viral products are actually worth the swipe or just straight up skip. For the Laneige sleeping mask, I would literally straight up just say that the packaging is adorable. It literally looks like pink jelly in a jar. And it always smells like strawberry candy. Like, I literally love it, and it comes with this really cute applicator as well, so you know it's really bougie. I like it. The texture is rich, balmy and not sticky. A little goes a long way with this product because literally one swipe for a soft buttery texture. It gives me instant hydration, and by morning, my lips are smoother than any apology your ex ever gave. If this product was a guy, he would definitely be the dependable guy who texts you back in 2 seconds. The rating, I would give it a solid 10 on 10. We are starting off really strong. It looks cute and it works like magic. And Girl Math says that since it lasts forever, it's basically free. So next up we have Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 62. Yeah, so the scent profile on this one is pistachio and salted caramel, but whenever I do apply it, I also get like hints of vanilla. Makes me feel like I just walked out of a bakery. You know, I smell like cookies, and you know, people like turn their heads. You know, it's basically giving snack. 2 spreads and you get instant main character energy, but it fades quicker than a summer fling. If this product was a guy, he would be the golden retriever boy who always smells, you know, like a dessert, but he disappears in like 20 minutes. I'd give it a 6 on 10 in rating. It's a gorgeous scent, I agree, but it's not really long lasting. So next up we have another Sol de Janeiro. It's the Cheirosa 48. This perfume mist is literally like pink in a bottle. It's floral, it's sweet, it's flirty. मैं obsessed हूँ literally. Regret not buying a bigger bottle because this smells like Barbie on a picnic in Paris. Like, it's literally pink in a bottle. I cannot stress it enough. If this product was a guy, he would be the situationship who texts you good morning every day and means it. For the rating, I would give it 11 on 10. Instant trip crush energy. It's unforgettable. I love it. So next up we have the Pixi blush. It's the Pixi on the go blush. So first impression, it's really cute and compact. And since you can see that, you know, everything's like wiped off, like you can see some text but it's wiped off, because I have used this every day for the past, I think 2 to 2.5 years, because I used to use this every day in college and I still have so much product left. Like, it's literally crazy. Okay, I have reapplied it every 2 to 3 times every day and it still lasts me for like a lifetime. I love it. I literally love this product. So the product glides really well on my skin. It's a light pigment that fades in 30 to 40 minutes, so it requires reapplication, but it is buildable. If this product was a guy, he would be loyal AF, but you know, he would need frequent check-ins. The rating, I would give it a 9 on 10 because the quantity of this product is amazing. Not super pigmented, but it's buildable and it gives you the I woke up like this kind of a feeling. So next up we have the Tir foundation. I'm not sure if that's how people pronounce it, but this is the red one, which is the full coverage one. So you know, the packaging is really nice, it's really clean, feels a little luxury product. About the hype, I think I get it, but like to an extent. So the product is full coverage and it blends like a dream. It gives you that filtered but real vibe. So when I was seeing this product all over my feed, I just wanted to get it. But when I was ordering it online, I actually couldn't see what my shade was because the shade range of this product is massive. So I didn't really get it at that time. But last month when I went to Dubai, I did a mall test on this product. One problem that I have with this product is that over time I realized that by the end of the day, my makeup started getting little cakey, like I was seeing patches of the foundation on my skin. But this was a problem that happened just with me. It did not happen with my mom. So I'm not sure if that was like my skin problem. But yeah, I did not love it as much as it was hyped. But my mom likes the product. So considering that the cakiness and the patches were because of my skin, because it did not happen to my mom, I would say that if this product was a guy, he would be reliable, he would be good looking, he would be, he would hold up under pressure, full husband material basically. I would give it an 8 on 10. I get the hype, it is justified, but my experience with it was not good when I applied it for the full day. I'll test it again maybe someday. Sorry guys for the cut, but my sister got me Starbucks. She's nice sometimes. Okay, back to the video. So next up we have the Indewile Dewy Lip Treatment in the shade Wedding Rose. The packaging is so cute. It's literally so clean, so minimal, so pretty. And the best part of this product, I love the smell of this product. It literally smells like fresh bouquet of roses. I'm not kidding. And the taste is literally divine, when I accidentally lick it. So it's yum. It smells gorgeous and it looks so pretty on my skin. Like, I cannot tell you how pretty my lips look after I apply this product. For the application, it is a hydrating formula which is not sticky at all. It stays longer on my lips than most of the other tints. If this product was a guy, he would smell good and he would not ghost. Solid 10 on 10. I love it so much. Indewile, please, I love your product. Please make more of these. Next up, we have the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Happy. The internet is right. This product is crazy pigmented. Honestly, 1 dot is enough. 2 dots gives like Joker arc unlocked. Okay, so for this product, I would say that it stays on forever. Like, it does not fade off or like disappear from your cheek. So I really like that about this product. If this product was a guy, he would definitely be the one who never leaves you on red. I would give it an 8 on 10. Next up, we have the Laneige Glaze Grace Tinted Lip Serum. This is basically the one with like the donut shaped applicator. For the first impression, it has a donut shaped applicator which is squishy and fun, and the texture is really smooth. For the application, I would say that the tint is really cute, but the only thing that I personally don't like about this is that it fades from my lips quicker than, like Indewile. It fades quicker than this. So if this product was a guy, he would be gorgeous but inconsistent. I would give this like a 6 on 10 because it looks better than it behaves. Next up, we have the Rhode. I literally have the full set because I'm so obsessed. What I would like to say about Rhode is that the marketing of this company is iconic. Like Hailey Bieber, I feel like made us all want it. At least me, she influenced me so much. So this is the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment in the shade Jelly Bean. So this was actually a limited time edition wala shade. It was released on Hailey's birthday. For the product, I would say that it smells amazing, and it's just a gorgeous tint. It has pink glitters in it. It smells like, I don't know, like jellies, strawberries, bubble gums, like stuff like that. The application is pretty smooth. It hydrates my lips. It's a pretty pink tint with glitter, but the quantity is a heartbreak. This product was a guy. He would be the soft boy who paints, but you know, he requires time to grow on you. Personally give this product a 7.5 on 10 because the quantity and the price just do not balance for me. But if you are someone who does not mind the price, I think you should go for it. It's actually a really nice tint, but it's just really less quantity for the price. Plus it looks so cute. So next up we have the lip gloss, which whenever I wear, people ask me what I am wearing on my lips. I'm not even joking. It is the DM Beauty's lip gloss in the shade Funfetti. Whenever I apply this gloss, it gives me smooth, shiny and juicy lips. This product makes my lips look edible, literally. See, you know, it's so pretty. It's just so pretty. This product was a guy. He would straight up be the green flag guy. Rating though, I would give it a 9.5 on 10, just because it needs to be reapplied quite a lot because it fades with time. But it's a beautiful shade, so I'm not complaining. Next up, we have the product which I am sure you have seen in your reels quite a lot. It's the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. So basically, if you're not sure, this is the mask, the peel-off mask, which gives you like glass skin in the morning. You know, you remove it and you have like shiny and, you know, firm skin. So this is that mask. So for this product, I would say that the texture of the product inside, it's like a gel, but like a thick gel, and it smells clean, which I was really shocked of because I thought it would have some kind of a fragrance. You need to apply it 15 minutes before going to bed and you wake up with glowy glass skin. After applying this product, my face tightens like crazy, and one thing I really liked about this product was when I applied it before bed, I felt like I would feel uncomfortable sleeping and stuff like this, but this product dried off in like 10 to 15 minutes max, and it was literally dry. Like I could sleep easily. I was not feeling uncomfortable. Since it's like really expensive, I would prefer to wear it only on the days where I'm like going out or something like that. The product was a guy. He would be the 3 a.m. texter who would, you know, text you, have you reached home safe and stuff like that. It's a nice product. I would give it that. But for the rating, I would give it a 7 on 5 on 10 because it's quite expensive and it's only for the days where I just need to look alive. So next up we have the Kay Beauty Secret Sunscreen. I don't think it's a secret anymore because everyone knows about it, but it's the Beauty of Joseon Sun Relief Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50+. My god, that's a lot in a cream. Texture wise, oh my god, I was actually so shocked because it's like water, not in a diluted way, but you know, it melts in your skin and it blends with your skin so effortlessly. It was a really nice cream. It leaves no white cast, no greasy aftermath, no stickiness, literally nothing. Like genuinely, after using this product, I now understand what people mean when they say, you know, I feel like I'm wearing nothing on my skin. Like I never understood that. But after applying this cream, I actually feel that way. So, you know, I vibe with that statement now. The only con I would say about this product is the quantity. You know, it's giving a very use me wisely kind of a vibe. And if you're a girly who likes to like reapply their sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours, it's quite pricey. This product was a guy. He would be soft spoken, he would listen more than he speaks, he would smell clean, and he makes you feel safe. The rating, I would give it an 8 on 10. It's hydrating, it's weightless, it's reliable. Just, you know, keep backups ready if you're clingy like me. So this was my honest review on all the viral products which are clogging your feed right now. If you have tried any of these products in the past, please drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to get some tea. And yes, in the future I will be making a video on more, effective and budget friendly options, so that everyone has something. So lastly, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I mean, save your wallet, babes. Bye.